I am Marcia Wyatt, and owner of Aspen Ridge Home and Garden. My husband and I opened it in March of 2017. We provide greenhouse plants to full-fledged nursery with trees and shrubs, annuals, perennials. We work with a lot of landscapers, and then obviously just helping homeowners as well. We like to think of it as upscale home and garden center. We pride ourselves on having unique product. Our biggest thing is really about seeing it, touching it, feeling it. So quality, that's a huge component of our business, that we're looking for quality product that's unique. We first saw Painted Sky designs at a buying show. Their product, to combine the quality with the design and the artistic design that goes behind it, that's not something that you're finding with other companies. Benches, gliders, little bistro sets, they go for memorial services. Great retirement gifts we're finding, new homes, wedding gifts. We're from a big farming community, so the farmstead bench, that's one of our best sellers that we have. And then of course the tree of life. We've seen lots of customers who have come in and gotten either a bench or a glider and find out how comfortable they are, and then they want someone else in their family to have it as well. Aspen Ridge was created to be that place that's full of inspiration and beauty. Painted Sky really fits our look because we don't want to carry what everyone else carries.